it's Brooke with WTI. If you have really dry skin, you definitely got to try this out by Clinique. This is their Moisture Surge Gel Cream, and this works amazing. My favorite thing is how well it absorbs into my skin and makes my skin feel afterwards. The reason I like this one so much is because it's not sticky. I'm not afraid to use it around my eyes where I need some moisture, and it doesn't go to the point where I get these little white bumps under my eyes because it's overly done. This goes on super clean. I like the smell. It's fresh, dewy smelling. The look of it is very charming. It's a subtle pink, and it's this gel cream that just feels very hydrating. It makes my skin feel very soft. It's nice to have a smaller jar as well. This is 0.5 ounces, so I can travel with it or just put it in my purse, because sometimes if I'm not at home, I forget and I need to add some moisture around my eyes where it starts to wrinkle. So this is just a wonderful product. It really works for me. I love it, but that's just my point of view.